Well, hi there, everybody. Good morning to meteorologist Travis Klineski on this Monday morning. A clear start to the day. It's going to be a sunny day today all across the area. Very few clouds, maybe a few late today. High pressure is actually going to move to the east and should be somewhere in this area here later this afternoon, about 5 o'clock. So that's where the lightest winds will be. So our winds will die down, and then they'll start to pick up out of the south and southeast on the back side of that high. You get clockwise, slow clockwise rotation, and the farther away you get from the high, the winds get stronger. The winds will actually strengthen overnight, so it will be a little breezy tonight, which will keep us from getting terribly cold, and we'll see an increase in clouds, so it will become partly cloudy heading into your Tuesday morning. Kind of a partly cloudy, breezy day for tomorrow, but it will be a warmer day. We'll get more sun in the afternoon, so partly cloudy in the morning, mostly sunny in the afternoon, and then an increase in clouds Tuesday night into Wednesday morning, as we are going to, and I don't know why, that graphic's only going to there. Let's try this again. I'm going to try this one more time. Let's see if this works this time. Sometimes my graphics get a little sketchy here. Yeah, I don't know why. It's only going out till midnight Tuesday night, but you at least get the gist. Increasing clouds as we head towards Wednesday morning. We are going to see more clouds around Wednesday, Thursday, but still we're going to stay on the mild side. Let's check out the weather for today. As temperature-wise, it will be a chillier day today. Highs mid to upper 30s out east, low 40s around the Tri-Cities, mid upper 40s and lower 50s as you go to the west. So most of us are still above average despite the cool down for today. And it's the coldest day we're going to see this week. Tonight, down in the 20s and low 30s, so not terribly cold. Part of that is thanks to the wind, which will be a little bit on the breezier side overnight and into tomorrow. And that's going to help to usher in some milder temperatures tomorrow. You got upper 40s to the east, low to mid 50s here in the middle. Upper 50s, lower to mid 60s as you go to the west. Your warmest temperatures right in here in western and southwest Nebraska. Tomorrow night, again, another decent night out there temperature-wise, 20s and low 30s. That's not bad for this time of the year. And then as we look ahead to your Wednesday, your final full day of fall, highs will be in the mid to upper 40s and 50s with the warmest temperatures once again out to the west and southwest. Might even touch 60 again in parts of the panhandle of Nebraska. We'll be closer to 50-ish here in the Tri-Cities for your Wednesday. There will be more clouds around Wednesday, and there's going to be more sun the farther west you go. But we'll have more clouds around Wednesday and again on Thursday, so the temperature's still, though, mild for this time of the year. We'll see highs still in the lower 50s. Our best day will probably come Friday. That's our first full day of winter, and it's looking pretty good. Not very winter-like right in there. And into the weekend, while more clouds come in, it's going to stay on the mild side, as we do start to see some rain move in, and this will be all rain Saturday afternoon, Saturday night, and Sunday. Now, this should not be one continuous rain, but there still is a lot up in the air with exactly how that's going to play out when it comes to the moisture, the timing of it, and even the moisture type. This should mostly be liquid, though, through Christmas Eve day. Things may start to change Christmas Eve night and into Christmas Day, but that's even still up in the air right now. We'll talk about that here in just a bit. Let's look at the long-range forecast here, and it does look like it is going to cool down. Christmas Day itself, cooler, and then beyond. Next week, temperatures closer to average. That said, no brutally cold air coming in on the backside of the system, but it is a very interesting system that's coming. The Climate Prediction Center, they're keeping us on the milder side of things for the week between Christmas and New Year's. And I would agree with that. We're probably going to keep those temperatures near to a little bit above average. I don't agree with the Climate Prediction Center when it comes to moisture. I actually think we may actually end up seeing a little more of this green over our areas. We could see some decent moisture next week. I'm going to show you that in the forecast model in just a little bit. We're going to show you two models, in fact. Let's show you first. I'm going to show you the GFS model because this is the warmer of the two solutions. Not much going on these next several days. We will see a system that misses us to the southeast on Thursday. Right there. So we get missed out. Friday looks fantastic right now. And then here comes the moisture Saturday afternoon right there. Here comes the rain moving in Saturday afternoon into Saturday night. And then this continues into Christmas Eve Sunday. But the GFS does show a dry slot coming in where we may get missed by some of that moisture. We'll see. But then more moisture coming in Christmas morning. So there's Christmas morning at 7 a.m. Notice all the snow out west, not over our area. And then here's Christmas Day, maybe another dry slot by the evening hours. And then that moisture, this model shows the system just kind of hanging around Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, maybe still sticking around in our area. This is where it may get cold enough for a little snow out west here. So we'll see how this plays out, but this could be very interesting if this thing just decides to plant itself over the middle part of the country for most of next week here. It could mean some rather wet weather. Now let's look at the European model. This is the colder of the two models when it comes to that system. Again, not much these next several days. We'll kind of fly through that here. Let's jump ahead to Thursday. There's the system that misses us to the southeast on Thursday. Friday, a gorgeous day right there. It's going to be a great day. And then Saturday afternoon, here comes the moisture. Saturday afternoon is Saturday night and Sunday morning. There's Christmas Eve day. But notice, this is a colder solution. Does have some snow out west. And tries to sneak that snow in by Christmas Eve night or into Christmas morning for parts of our area. And actually, this model also keeps this system around for several days, but it's a little colder than the GFS model, where we could actually see just snow and not rain. So, like I said, you get long range, there's a lot of uncertainty when it comes to exactly how this thing is going to play out. So, I wouldn't get too worked up about the Christmas holiday yet. I'll tell you right now, if you do have plans for this upcoming weekend, Saturday and Sunday, yeah, you might have to deal with some rain, and it's not going to be a good outdoor weather day, but usually outdoor weather's not great anyway around Christmas, so you come to expect to stay inside most of that time. But so travel-wise, I don't think there'll be too many travel concerns Saturday or Sunday if you do have plans. And I know a lot of you probably do have plans, this weekend. It lines up very well with the Christmas holiday itself being on Monday. But again, Christmas Day on Monday may turn a little more interesting, and I want to stress the word may. That is not a certainty at all, but might turn a little more interesting. So we'll kind of have to keep an eye on that part of the forecast down the road. So, all right. That's all I have for you for today. Thank you for watching on this Monday morning, and I will see you all again on Tuesday. Take care. Enjoy your day, and God bless. Bye.